Hi everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to add a key to a Toyota Prius. Now remember, this is when you already have at least one working key fob. This is about Toyota Prius, but this is relevant for most Toyota models, key fobs. You will need a special machine like the one in the video, and of course if you have any questions you can comment below and we will answer. Thank you.
Hello everybody, we're working on a 2015 Prius. We just reset the immobilizer. Our programmer is hooked up to the OBD down there. So after we reset, we're going to do the add a key using our programmer. We're simply going to put the back of the remote up against the push to start button. Hopefully we'll hear the double beep letting us know the key is programmed. All right, now it's telling us to put it up, so let's listen for the double beep. That's a good double beep. And we're going to let a time in to register the key. Learning succeeded. So we're going to back out, test the remote. Buttons work. Vehicle starts. It is a Prius, so as you can see, it doesn't really do anything other than light up. We're good to go. That's how you program a key for a Prius. Call us whenever you're ready. Thanks.